hand sanitizer and everything. And I'll see you guys there.
You're good to go. Not bad.
Thanks.
That's what finally put his hand in the
So we just rode Flight of Passage twice because there was no wait. And now we're in the gift shop. There's not that many people in here because of socially distancing. And it actually started raining. But it's getting better now, so hopefully they open back up Everest because that's my favorite ride. I want to go on it. But we might go on Navi River Journey since we haven't been on that in a few years. Alright, we're going on my favorite ride, Expedition Everest. There's some Disney ducks. Love the Disney ducks. So basically all day I've just been riding rides. I haven't really been talking. I went on Everest a couple times, Flight of Passage a couple times, Cali, River Rapids, Navi River Journey, basically everything. We need to go on dinosaurs still, but we're making our way around the rest of the park because because of coronavirus, the park is closing at 6 o'clock. So we don't have much time, but we're gonna finish the rest of the rides. It's actually raining right now, which feels so good. It's been so hot. All right, we're in back row. And we got front row last time. Alright, so we have them cleaning the ride right now on Everest. They're cleaning all of the seats. They're spraying every seat down and wiping it. We're going to the last ride of the day, Flight of Passage, for the third time, I think. I just found this butterfly on the floor. This poor